Hi Dawn, we're here in the back end of WordPress. I'm just going to demonstrate how to add a new page and make sure that it appears in the right menus. You'll notice I've got two tabs open here. I've got italyfrancevacanes, the back end of WordPress. I've also got the main website. What I'm just going to do is add a more info link to the bottom of here, just here underneath. So the first thing to do is to copy the information that you want to actually copy into the second page. I know this is not perfect example, but we'll do that. Right click, copy. I'm in the Internet Explorer so you can see exactly what links are clicked. So I'm going to go back. We've got our information we want to copy. Go into Italy, France. I go pages, add new page. Straight away going to paste all my information into there. It's called Nice. It's called Nice. For some reason my bloody thing is not working. Anyway, Nice 3. That's the name of the page. I'm going to go down here straight away and put a title. I'm going to put Nice 3 French. Whoops. And I'm just, like we discussed earlier, I'm just come on. Remember to put in your keywords, and in the first the keywords had to be as close to the front as possible. In the description it doesn't matter as long as they're in there. So we've created a title, we've got our content in here, we've got our page title for the actual part that appears at the top of the browser, and a nice description for people. Now, one thing you'll notice is that at the moment it doesn't actually have any number, or the page hasn't been associated or given a number yet. So what we actually have to do is save draft first. And what that does is actually then give it a number, which is important. We can then go down to make sure that the visibility is public, and we also have to make sure, remember in attributes we have to go to parent, and we have to ensure that we put it under the right heading, otherwise it'll appear on the left hand menu or the top menu in the wrong place. So I'm just going to give this number of 20 so it appears second. It gives us an opportunity to be able to put in numbers that are less than 20 if we want it to appear above without having to change this number. As long as we've got those three things, the name of the page, the content pasted in, the page title, the description, we make sure it's public. We can go publish. Now keeping in mind that straight away this is going to publish it to the main window. If I just go up to here and press refresh, you'll notice that it appears under the French Riviera. Now we don't want that to happen, so the very next thing you want to do is make sure you leave this page. Don't open up another window. One of the problems you've been having is that it's auto saving, which is giving you extra versions of your page which you don't want. So we're going to go up to appearance, widgets. At the moment, first we're going to do is we're going to go right click, copy shortcut. We're also going to take notice of the number up here, which is 961, which means that's the number of the page, which we're going to need to know in a minute. We then need to go appearance, widgets, Go down to Pages Accommodation, click Edit, expands the menu. We go to the very end of our line and we go 961, comma, and this stops it appearing on the main navigation on the left. So click Done. Make sure you click Save Changes. Now if we go to the main website, you'll notice that it's, when I press refresh, it disappears off Nice. Now it'll appear under the drop down box here. Now the next thing we need to do is go to our page that we want to add the link into. We're going to go down to Nice French Riviera. Go down to the bottom of the page. I'm just going to make this information a bit bigger so we can see what we're doing. Just going to go under there and I'm going to go More Information. Now this is the point you've got to remember. Highlight the text, highlight the text, click on the link, Control V or right click paste, give it a title that appears underneath the link, and this is where you put keywords. French Riviera sleeps to Nice. Go insert. Save the page, update. Make sure you leave the page. Always go back when you're not in between editing. I always suggest go back to pages so this just doesn't auto save. Go up to at the tab, we're going to go to Nice in the French Riviera. We scroll down the bottom, there's your more information tab. There's your extra information. Just going to go back. While we're here, I might just show you. I'm going to go back. I'm going to delete my Nice 3 totally because we don't want that to exist. I'm also going to go back to Nice, French Riviera. Scroll down, get rid of more information. Update the page. Click on pages to get out. And go back to here. I'm going to go Nice in the French Riviera. That page will no longer exist anymore. No more extra information. That's it.